In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. It works for both Android and iPhone. First of all, open Instagram. Then go to your control center. Here you will see an icon dark mode. Click on it. Then your Instagram will go back to dark mode. One more thing that you can do is to go to your profile. Then click the three lines in the top right corner. It will open settings and activity. Scroll down until you find your app and media. Then go to accessibility. Here click on dark mode and turn it on. And there you go. That's how you enable dark mode on Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down below. Thank you for watching.